Hi kids, how are you? Today we are going to paint some letters and numbers A, B, C and 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's introduce some paint bottles. These are all paint bottles. This is red color and yellow color, orange color and light green color, sky blue color, cream color. Okay, these paint bottles are used to paint the letters and colors. Okay, so let's draw a thick line of all letters and numbers. Okay, A, next B, and C, ONE1 and TWO2, THRAE3, and double thick line of all the letters and numbers. Okay, hope you all kids are enjoying this video. ONE1 and TWO2, THRAE3, so let's paint the red color for A, yellow color for B, orange color for C, 1 for green, 2 for sky blue and green for 3. Let's paint the A for paint it red. Okay, this A is going to be so beautiful and so nice. Red color is the beautiful color. And next we are going to draw the orange color for B. This B is going to be so beautiful and so mesmerizing. Orange color is the so nice color. This B is going to be so beautiful. And next we are going to paint the C for yellow color. This is going to be a super and nice color. Let's draw the numbers. Light green, by using the light green color to paint the 1. The 1 is going to be so beautiful. And sky blue color is going to be used for the 2. 2 is so beautiful to paint the and finally we are going to paint the 3 by using the cream color. Cream color. Hope you all kids are going enjoy the video. And A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, ONE1, TWO2, THE